Replacing a door in your home or business may seem like a straightforward project, but it's one that requires skill, experience, and attention to detail to get right. Choosing the right door replacement contractor in Birmingham is critical to ensure the job is done properly, looks great, and lasts for years to come. Here's how to find a reliable contractor who meets your needs and delivers excellent results. Start with research and recommendations. The first step in finding a reliable door replacement contractor is gathering recommendations. Ask friends, family, neighbors, or colleagues in Birmingham who have recently had door work done. Personal referrals often provide the best leads because they come from people you trust who have first-hand experience with a contractor's work. If you don't have any personal referrals, turn to online resources like Google Reviews, Yelp, and Angie, formerly Angie's List. Read through both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced understanding of each contractor's reputation. High ratings and positive feedback are good indicators of reliability and quality work. Verify licensing and insurance. To ensure you're working with a legitimate and professional contractor, ask for proof of licensing and insurance. Licensing indicates that the contractor meets the required standards for door replacement work in Birmingham, while insurance protects you in case of accidents, damages, or injuries during the project. If a contractor can't provide proof of these credentials, consider it a red flag and move on to another option. Evaluate experience and expertise. Door replacement involves more than simply installing a new door. It may require adjustments to the frame, precise alignment, and knowledge of different door types and materials. As such, experience is a key factor in choosing a contractor. Ask potential contractors about their experience in door replacement and whether they specialize in specific types of doors, such as exterior, interior, French, sliding, or energy-efficient doors. A contractor with substantial experience is more likely to handle potential challenges and deliver high-quality results. Request to see a portfolio of their previous projects or ask for references from past clients to get a better idea of their work. Ask about product options. A reliable contractor should offer a range of door options to suit your style, functionality, and budget. Whether you're interested in wood, fiberglass, steel, or vinyl doors, the contractor should be able to provide a variety of choices and explain the pros and cons of each material. They should also be knowledgeable about energy-efficient doors, security features, and design options. By working with a contractor who offers a diverse range of products, you can find the perfect door that meets your specific needs and preferences. Get multiple quotes and compare pricing. Before choosing a contractor, it's wise to obtain quotes from multiple companies. Make sure each quote includes a detailed breakdown of costs for materials, labor, and any additional services such as old door removal or disposal. Comparing quotes will help you gauge the market rate for door replacement services in Birmingham and identify any outliers. While cost is an important factor, avoid automatically selecting the lowest bid. Consider the value you're receiving for the price, including product quality, expertise, warranty coverage, and customer service. Often, the cheapest option may come with hidden costs or compromise on quality. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Reputable door replacement contractors stand behind their work with warranties or guarantees. Ask about the terms of any warranties for both the product and installation. A solid warranty shows that the contractor is confident in their workmanship and committed to addressing any issues that may arise after installation. Evaluate communication and customer service. From the initial consultation, pay attention to the contractor's communication and customer service. Are they responsive to your inquiries? Do they provide clear, detailed answers to your questions? A reliable contractor will take the time to understand your needs, explain the installation process, and keep you informed every step of the way. Good communication is a sign of professionalism and a contractor's commitment to customer satisfaction. If a contractor is difficult to reach or fails to communicate effectively, it may be best to look elsewhere. Check compliance with local building code. Birmingham has specific building codes and regulations that may affect door replacement projects. Ensure that the contractor you choose is familiar with local codes and obtains any necessary permits. Non-compliance can lead to fines, delays, or issues when selling your property. Conclusion: choosing a reliable door replacement contractor in Birmingham requires research, attention to detail, and a focus on quality and professionalism. By verifying credentials, evaluating experience, comparing quotes, and assessing communication, you can select a contractor who delivers exceptional results. A well-installed door enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, making it a worthwhile investment. Take the time to choose the right contractor, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your door replacement is in good hands.